am Homeworks by Precept Consultant Carabeth. I have 3 children and have been using BJU Press homeschool materials for 7 years now. Today, I'm going to show you the contents of the 5th edition Earth Science Logos Lab Kit. This kit can be purchased separately to aid your child in completion of experiments and activities for the 5th edition Earth Science course. Let's take a look inside the kit.
When you order the Logos Science Lab Kit, it will come with all contents inside one box. On top, you will find the addendum. Inside, you will find a table of contents, the supplies that are included, and the supplies that need to be provided by you. It will also give brief instructions of each lab with some images to aid in further instruction. Now let's take a look inside the rest of the kit. Here we have wood samples, a digital pocket scale, a protractor. Some items will be grouped because they go together for a specific activity or experiment like this one. It includes a glue stick, brad fastener, candle, compass, index cards, paper clips, pins, and push pins. Here we have test strips, a petri dish, plaster of Paris, clay soil. In this package we have craft sticks, rubber bands, a 6-inch ruler, a straw, tape measure, and thermometers. Here we have a funnel, a magnifying glass, support board, a foam core sheet, vials, graduated cylinders, a balloon fishing sinker and pipettes, non-hardening clay, sand, goggles, glycerin, a prepared wood piece, cord, limestone, glass and streak plate, sets of cups that are different sizes, shapes, and materials, magnesium sulfate, alum, rock and mineral samples, pea gravel, a pencil, mini dinosaurs, a spring scale, a skewer, beakers, magnets, and a nut and screw. The non-consumable materials in this kit can be passed down to younger children and a refill lab kit can be purchased. My daughter recently chose to perform the experiment Going with the Flow, which is an experiment that tests the movement of denser liquids. She took a substance, in this case glycerin, and injected the room temperature glycerin into the refrigerator temperature glycerin. This experiment models what goes on inside the Earth's mantle. The results were very fun to see.
I hope this look inside the 5th edition Earth Science Logos Lab Kit was helpful to you. Thank you so much for joining me.